is you go up to this. 2 to 3 minute clips, those are usually the best. But I mean, if a lot of stuff happens, like holy crap, that's a bear, or that crazy shit bolted door from Call of Cthulhu, then it, it could be like 8 to 10 minutes long. Just make sure it's under 10 minutes if you want your shit on YouTube. Now, titling it. Most people be like, oh my fucking god. They'll probably misspell it like me. Oh my fucking god, Brad. Funny. Lol. Copter. And then, when you send it over to YouTube with the easy button that lets you do it, that's the title that it has. And now nobody knows what the fuck it is. Or most people will just say like LOL. And they'll do that stupid ass X and a capital D. And like nobody knows what that is. Nobody knows what game they were playing or like why it's funny. And most people won't even click on your fucking clip, including me.